Ripley's Miller fiber optic stripper, the FO103S, is recognized in the industry for its simple yet very high-quality design. For years, it's been used by many major fiber optic manufacturers, cable companies, and installers who desire a high-quality, professional-grade tool. It is designed for stripping buffer coating from clad optical fiber and features a unique blade design. Unlike inferior quality tools, the FO103 series of tools encircles the entire perimeter of the glass without damaging the fiber, providing clean, consistent stripping action time and time again. The FO103T-250-J performs all of the common fiber stripping functions for jacketed 3mm single-mode fiber in one compact tool. The first hole removes the 3mm outer jacket. The second hole removes the 900 micron buffer off of the 250 micron buffer. The third hole removes the 250 micron buffer from the 125 micron cladding. Ripley's KS-1 Kevlar shears are ideal for cutting Kevlar strength members found in fiber optic cable construction. One micro-serrated blade made from high-carbon molybdenum and vanadium steel reduces slippage for positive cutting action.
Find out more at Vicom's website.